Hi guys! Today we're going to see how to add a downloadable file to your WordPress site. Let's say you have a website and you want to give your visitors a way to download files from your website. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching the video, you will be able to add downloadable button to your site like this. And if someone clicks the button, they will be able to download the file by clicking here. And the file will be downloaded like this. So let's dive in. First, let's see the site which we have built. So to add a downloadable file to this site, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to upload the file to your site. So to upload the file, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Media and click Add New. And it will take you to this page. Now to upload the file, just drag the file from your computer and drop it here. And as you can see, our file has been uploaded. So once you have uploaded your file, we can now go to step 2, which is to add this file to your site. So to add the file, just go to the page where you want to add the file and click Edit Post. Now go to the place where you want to add the file. Now let's say you want to add the downloadable file here. First you need to add a download button. So to add the button, just click the plus icon and select the button element. And as you can see, the button has been added. Now enter the button text you want. I'm going to enter download ebook. Now to add a file to this button, just click here and it will ask you to enter the link of your file. So to get the file link, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and then click Edit. And it will take you to this page. Here you can see that we have got a link of our file. So let's click here to copy the link. Now go back to this tab and then paste it here. Now click here and the file link will be added to your button. Now when someone clicks this button and you want your file to be opened in a new tab, enable this option. Once you've added the link, now go to Save Changes. Just click Update and your file will be added to your site. And the visitors will be able to download the file from your site. So to check it, let's go back to our website. Now as you can see here, we have it. And if a visitor clicks the button, you can see that our file is open in a new tab. Now to download the file, just click here and select the location where you want to save the file. And then click Save. Now as you can see, our file has been downloaded. So this is how you can add a downloadable file to your WordPress site. Next, let's see how you can add a downloadable file to a page which is built using Elementor. Let's say you have a page like this which is built using Elementor. Now to add a downloadable file to this page, just click Edit with Elementor, and it will take you to this page. Now go to the place where you want to add your file. So just like what we did before, first let's add the download button. So to add the button, just drag the button element and drop it here. Now to change the text of this button, just click here and enter the text you want. So now we have added the download button. Once you've added the button, now to add a downloadable file, you need to enter the link of your file. So to get the link, let's go back and grab our link. Now you need to paste the link. Now if you want to open this link in a new tab, just click here and select Open in a new window. Once you have added the link, click Update. So now if we go to our page and refresh, you can see that a download button has been added. And if we click on it, we have got our file in a new tab and your visitor can download it from here. This is how you can add a downloadable file to a page which is built using Elementor. That's it guys, I hope you gained something from this video. I will catch you in my next one.